Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files or even videos or maybe photos from your Windows PC. So the first thing you should check really is your recycling bin. Now, this doesn't delete them until like 30 days after. So we can just go to this and open it up, and you might find your videos in here or whatever, and you can restore it. So if you look at the top, you can go to restore all items, and then you can recover them that way. Otherwise, you can permanently delete the items by recycling the bin completely. So there's some software we can also get. Maybe you accidentally formatted, I don't know, something on your computer or a drive or something like that. Like I did. I accidentally formatted my camera when I was transferring photos and videos. So there's some good software that you can get, and some might work a little bit better than others. But I use primarily these two different softwares. And the first one I have is Recuva. So if we go to Google and just type in Recuva right there, we can go ahead and get this software, and I'll show you what it's like and how to use it. So just type in RUCUVA, and then go to this first link. It's like CC Cleaner slash Recuva. You might have used that in the past. Then we can go up, and here's the direct link, cccleaner.com/Recuva. Just hit download the free version right here, and then we can open this up. And it's a pretty straightforward install with this software, at least. And if you have problems with this software, the next software is pretty good. And that's usually what does it for me if I really can't find videos or something that's hidden. And it goes a little bit quicker for me too. But Recuva is a lot easier to install. So I'm going to close this down. First, pin it to my taskbar. And then I'm going to open this up. Because when you open it back up, I'm going to go to yes. It gives you a couple different permissions, or allows you to scan for different file types. So it says welcome Recuva. Go to next. And then here you can search for pictures, music, documents, videos, and you can decide which one you want. Otherwise, it's going to take so long to just search for everything. So let's just do pictures, go to next. And where's the locations? In my documents, in my recycling bin, in a specific location. So we can go to browse, and maybe you have it on a specific drive. Maybe you have your, I don't know, your phone connector or something. So let's go to my H drive. I deleted a bunch of stuff off of there recently. So let's go to OK, then go to next. And then we can go to enable deep scan. Check this box if previous scans have failed. Find your files. Okay, so we can go to deep scan. We did it and it didn't work before. So let's go to start. Now, the problem with this is it might take a long time depending on how many different drives you're scanning, how many different locations you're scanning, how many different file types you're scanning. So I have a pretty small drive, and you can see it's stage 1 of 3. Estimated time is 60 minutes. So it could take a little bit of time for this to recover all your pictures and your photos. And then I'm just going to go to quit right now or cancel. And you can see there's some pictures that already recovered right now. So I can see I was doing something on my computer where I was showing people how to like look at their system information. So I can select it and then go to recover. So it might not take the full 2 hours. So if you did something recently you deleted, you might still have it somewhere on your computer, and you might not have to do it for 2 hours. Just do it after like 5-10 minutes, maybe, if it's just pictures. So now we're trying to recover the picture, and we can choose the location. Let's just do the H drive again. I don't think I have anything in there. So let's go to OK. And then I'm going to recover this. And then, hey, good job. I don't need upgrade though. So let's open up File Explorer. Go into my H drive and find this. So let's see. I got so many different little open folders and stuff over here on the left. So if I go into my H drive now, here's the picture. I can open this up. It looks like this is just a thumbnail, so it's not actually like the picture. So close though. Now the next software I have, I think takes a little bit. It goes a little bit quicker. So let's open this up now. And I like this one a little bit more, but it's annoying installing. So this is going to be SG Security PhotoRec. This is free too. And then let's go to the first link on Google, sgsecurity.org. So this is what it looks like. Here's the link on the top. I can zoom in on that. And I like this one a lot more, I think. So sgsecurity.org PhotoRec. Okay, so there it is. Now, downloading this is a little bit more tricky to install. So we want to go to PhotoRec on the left, go on down, and we're looking for the download link. So I think I saw it right here. Download test disk and PhotoRec. Let's go here. Then we want to go to the top right here, data recovery. I'm just going to go to the beta version and then go to the Windows 64-bit. Now it's going to download. So choose location here. And we have to unzip the folder at some point in time. So I'm downloading it. I'm going to open this up when it's done. And this is open source too. Test this is pretty good too if you're having problems with your different partitions. Is this done yet? Well, if it's not, I have it downloaded already right here. So now when you open this up, it's going to be a little bit different. You need to click on it. And then we're going to want to extract this too. So I'm just going to click on this a few times. And it should give you the option to extract all. If you right click on one of these, or where's the application? So I'm just going to go down and I'm looking for PhotoRec win. And I can open this up and then it says extract all. And then just put it in one of your folders, documents. Okay. Extract. And this should open this up in a different folder. So I'm going to close this one down. And then here's the folder we want to open. And then go on down to where it says QPhoto Win application. Open this up. Go to more. Go to run anyways. Then hit yes. And this should open up now. Now at the bottom here, for some reason, it doesn't save my my application on my computer, so I can never find it under Windows. So just go to the taskbar, and we can just pin it to the taskbar, so we can find it in the future. So once we have this opened up, it's going to be very similar. Choose your drive on here, so you can see your different file formats too. You can choose your different file formats. Usually, I just leave that how it is. So I got my D drive right here. Got my P drive. So that's just that drive, and then we can click this down arrow. And we can go to the H drive again. Where is my H drive? A little bit more difficult to see, so let me just zoom in. So it's an open source software, so uh, it's not as easy to use, but it's pretty good. So now that we have the correct drive, let me go to my H drive. So I can't figure out which one that is. That's my Samsung drive right here. So you get, looks like actually that is not the correct drive. So it's this drive right here. Now let's go on down to format. So let me go to this and open back up. So let's go to the file formats. So I can select a spot here, file format. And then we want to go on down to file format, extract files partitions. Then you have to click browse and you have to choose a location where it's going to be done. And this is kind of where it goes a little bit quicker than the other one because you can start seeing the files come in. So let's go to my H drive. I'll just choose my apps folder. I don't have anything in here. So just create a location where it's going to recover everything. So I got that chosen. And then I can go to search now. Extract whole, extract files from whole partition. Okay, so let's go to search. And now it's running. Now you can open up File Explorer. Man, this is going to be a long video. So let's go up to File Explorer. Locate my H drive now. And then go into Apps. Recoup. Yeah, I don't know what that means. And then you can start seeing your pictures come in here. So depending on the file type you're looking for. JPRG. So this is like everything that was deleted on there at one point in time. I had Windows on here previously, so maybe I don't want to search for every file. So I can open this up. And, you know, it was the same thing as the Recuva I had at one point in time. And I should be getting a bunch of different video files in here too if I look. Is this a video file? Just once. So, oh, that's an audio file. So you should be able to recover it. It just might take some time. And yeah, just use one of these two softwares. And this is recovering it directly to your computer. So you can see I got everything on here. I should have probably limited my amount of files or the different file types because it's just going to recover everything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.